Hello, I'm Sister Tandy. Today we are exploring one of the most practical tools in the CareNet Consultants Partnership, My Clinic Online. This is your digital occupational health dashboard, the place where your workforce health records, compliance calendar, certificates, and reports all live in one secure place. If the word digital platform makes you think of complicated software and training courses, please relax. My Clinic Online was designed for busy HR professionals and safety officers, not software engineers. By the end of this video, you will be fully comfortable navigating it. Let's start. Before we look at how My Clinic Online works, let us understand why digital health records matter. Paper records get lost. Courier delays leave you chasing reports. Filing cabinets cannot send you an alert when a certificate is about to expire. In South Africa, the Department of Labour can request occupational health records at any time. If your records are in a filing system that takes 3 days to retrieve, you are exposed. Digital records mean that every certificate, every report, every examination result is retrievable within seconds, auditable, accurate, with full access control, so only authorized users see what they are permitted to see under Protection of Personal Information Act. The question is not whether to go digital. The question is whether your provider's platform is good enough to trust. When you log in to My Clinic Online, your dashboard shows you 4 key areas immediately. First, the compliance snapshot, a traffic light summary of your workforce's current certification status. Green for valid, amber for expiring within 30 days, red for expired. Second, the appointments calendar, all upcoming scheduled examinations by date and location. Third, recent reports, the latest completed reports, ready for download. Fourth, alerts and notifications. Anything that requires your attention, ordered by urgency. You do not need to search for what matters. The dashboard tells you. If everything is green, you can close the browser with confidence. If there is amber or red, you know exactly where to look. Certificates of fitness are legal documents. An expired certificate means a worker is not legally cleared for their role. My Clinic Online manages this for you automatically. Every certificate is stored with its expiry date visible. 30 days before expiry, you receive an automated email alert. 14 days before expiry, a second alert. On expiry date, the certificate status turns red in your dashboard and your account manager is notified simultaneously. You can download any certificate at any time in PDF format for your files or for labor inspection. If a worker has been temporarily assessed as fit with restrictions, those restrictions are clearly noted on the certificate and flagged in your dashboard. You cannot miss what the system is designed to make visible. Every occupational health report delivered by CareNet is available in your My Clinic Online account within 72 hours of examination. To access a report, click on the worker's name in the Consultations panel. Select the relevant examination date and click View Report. Reports are available in PDF for download and in an online view. Depending on the consent the patient has given, the report might include different sections. Summary: overall fitness status and key flags on a certificate of fitness and Annexure 3 report. Clinical detail: individual test results with reference ranges and explanations. These are the biometric results and are shared only if consent was given to do so. Recommendations or referral letters: any follow-up actions required by the worker, by the employer, or by the occupational health team. If a term in the report is unclear, you can raise a query directly in the platform through the Report Query button. Our clinical team will respond within 72 hours. Medical information is among the most sensitive personal data covered by the Protection of Personal Information Act. My Clinic Online is built with Protection of Personal Information Act compliance as a foundational requirement. Access is controlled through role-based permissions. As an employer account administrator, you can view fitness status and certificates. You cannot view individual clinical test results. Those are protected medical information. Only the occupational health practitioner and the worker themselves have access to detailed clinical findings. This is not a limitation. It is a legal protection for your workers and an ethical boundary that CareNet Consultants respects. You can add authorized users, set access levels, and audit all access events in real time through the administration panel. Need to schedule additional examinations? You can request appointments directly from My Clinic Online without needing to make a phone call. Click Schedule Examination from your dashboard. Select the workers to be examined, the type of examination required, and your preferred dates and location, clinic or on-site mobile unit. The system sends your request to your CareNet Consultants account manager, who confirms availability and books the appointment within 4 business hours. You receive a confirmation notification in the platform and by email. Large group bookings for sites with over 50 workers are flagged to our mobile unit coordination team, who contact you directly to plan the deployment. One system, one process, no phone queues. For clients who want to move beyond compliance into strategic workforce health management, My Clinic Online includes a workforce analytics panel. This shows aggregated, anonymized trends across your workforce without identifying individual workers, in full protection of Personal Information Act compliance. You can track the percentage of your workforce currently fit for duty, common findings across departments or job types, trends in blood pressure, hearing or vision results over successive examination cycles, and seasonal or shift-related health patterns. This data tells you things that individual reports cannot. If audiometry results in your packaging department are trending worse over 3 years, that is an equipment or PPE problem, not just an individual health issue. Analytics turns medical data into operational intelligence. My Clinic Online includes a built-in help center with video guides for every major function: scheduling, report access, user management, certificate download, and more. Your CareNet Consultants account manager is also your platform support contact for any questions that go beyond the guides. If your organization is onboarding My Clinic Online for the first time, we provide a structured orientation session, either in person at your site or virtually, covering all the key functions for your specific role. There is no extra charge for this. It is part of the partnership. Platform updates are communicated through the notification center before they go live, so nothing changes without you knowing. You are in control of your platform experience. Before you go, here is something from the research. A study by McKinsey Global Institute found that organizations that leverage workforce health data make decisions that reduce preventable absenteeism by up to 30% over 3 years. Your data is not just a compliance requirement, it is an opportunity. From all of us at CareNet Consultants, your best is good enough for today. See you in the next video. CareNet Consultants, your partner in workplace health.